Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's tutorial is going to be how to make this beautiful checkered handbag with a watermelon design. This project we are going to be using a 4.0 mm hook and a tapestry needle, our scissors for cutting unwanted ends, measuring tape for measurements, and our yarn. So it's just two colors that we're going to be using. So I'm going to be starting with the red color. So I'm using Yeye again, and I'm using Yeye regular. So I'm using double strand because of the hook that I'm using. So make a slip knot, chain up 16. So we have our 16 chains. I'm going to measure it in case you're using a different hook, different size of hook, so that you know the measurements that you need for it. So we have 3 inches. Okay, so let's continue. Now skip the first chain, go into the next and make a single crochet. So continue making a single crochet until you get to the end of the row. So I'm here at the end of the row, and this is what our work looks like. So we have a total of 15 single crochets here. So for the row 2, you chain 1, turn your work round, go into the space. You'll be working on the both loops. Make your 1 single crochet, continue making 1 single crochet in each of the um spaces that you have until you get to the end of the round. So this is the end of the second round, and this is what our work looks like. Okay, so guys, this is what our work looks like. We are at the row 12 right now. So to finish up this row 12, you're just going to just wrap your yarn around your hook and put it out and stop right here. You're not going to complete it, so just leave it right here while we bring the next color and attach it just this way. Okay, so right now you tie a knot, tie the both yarn together twice. So now you chain 1, turn your work around. You're going to be hiding this both colors of yarn together if you don't want a lot of work, because that's what I do. So make sure it's on top of your hook. Go into the first space, make your 1 single crochet, and in the next, 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 and in the next. Okay, what you're trying to do right now is to hide these colors, and once you are done, you cut off the other one. So right now I'm done hiding this particular color, as you can see. So what I have to do now is to cut off the red yarn, the red color yarn. Okay, just like that, and we are done with the red color yarn. So go into the next, continue with your 1 single crochet. So here we are at the end of the 13th round, and this is what our work is looking like. So you continue by making chain 1, turn your work, make 1 double crochet, one single crochet, sorry. So continue until you get to the 24th round, and I'll meet you there to show you what to do next. So there is nothing difficult, it's just the repetition of what we've been doing. So once you are done with the 24 rows, and this is what your work is going to be looking like, so you just have to like leave a very long tail that you are going to use to connect the both ends together. So right now you just chain up one, leave a long tail and cut your yarn. So that is it. So you're going to repeat this into 3 places. So we have I've already done mine actually, so I have the 3 of them right here. So let's start connecting this way. The one with the shortest tail is going to be in the middle, so you make sure of that. Okay, it's going to be in the middle. Okay, right now you bring your tapestry needle and insert your hook, your yarn, sorry, into it. Then so now insert your hook right into the space and also do the same right here and pull it out, going to that side. So just continue connecting it this way. It is very easy until you get to the end. So we are here at the end, so you just have to go in through the last space again, then turn your yarn around the needle just like this and pull it out, tighten it, go in through this way, and that is all. So you can now hide the tail by just going through this way. So this is what our work looks like. Okay, so you're going to repeat this 2 times to get the front and the back of it. So this is it. Okay, so we're going to put this aside while we make the hand and the under. So the next thing we need to do is to make a slip knot. Then you chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we have our 7 chains. Make one more chain, making it 8 chains. Now go into skip the first chain from the hook, go into the next and make a single crochet. So continue making your single crochet until you get to the end of the row. Here at the end of the row we have 7 single crochets. So you chain 1, turn your work round and continue making your single crochet. So you're not making any increase or any decrease. So you're going to make this as long as you want, because it's going to go through the whole body of the bag, the side and the under, and also it's also going to serve for the hand. Okay, so you make it depending on how long you want the hand to be. But for me I made 180 rows, so you should go ahead and make yours as long as you want. So mine is about 40 inches to 42 inches. We're going to measure that after, but continue making yours until you get to the end, to the length that you want, and I'll meet you when I'm done with mine to show you what to do next. Once you get to the end of this, you just turn it this way and continue your connection until you get here. You turn it the other way and continue until you are done. Then I'll meet you at this end, show you what to do next. Okay guys, so I'm done connecting mine, and this is what my work is looking like right now. Okay, we are going to connect this other one, and I'm just going to show you how, and I'll let you do yours. So once you are here, you grab this other one, insert it right here and also into this place, and pull out. So you continue, it's just a repetition of what you did at this other side. So go into the space, insert and pull it out. So guys, continue just repeating the same thing here all the way here, and I'll meet you right here to show you what to do next. So make a slip knot and chain 150. Insert on the seventh space. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. now you can add your favorite fruit, and that is all. So you just tie a knot just like this. We have come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for staying till this time. I really appreciate. Please subscribe, like, and share with your friends, and comment your thoughts on the comment section down below. See you guys next time. Bye.